Hello dear students, welcome back to mathematics class. Already you know we are discussing your third lesson, that is factors and multiples. Dear students, in previous videos you learned how to find the factors by tree method. In today's class we are going to find the factors by using division method. Okay, so I will revise what is this tree method. Okay, so let us take one example. I will take here 48 and let us split this number. Okay, then tell me 48 is there in which table? 6 sevens are, yes, 6 sevens are 48, 6 sevens are 48. So let's split this number because 7 is already a prime number. Okay, so take here 6, it is there in 2 3s are 6. So here prime factors of 48 are 2, 3 and 7. So this is a tree method. In today's class we are going to find the prime factorize the following by using division method. So how to express this? 48 is equal to 2 into 3 into 7. 2 is also a prime number, 3 and 7 is also a prime number. Okay, so this is a tree method. But in today's class let us learn about the division method. So I will take here one small example. I will take here 16. Okay, I will take here 16 and you draw a one line here. Then tell me 16 is there in which table? Yes, it is there in 8 ones a table also, but don't take directly 8 because 8 is a composite number. Okay, whenever you are dividing the number you start with the prime number. Then tell me this 16 is there in 2 ones a table? Yes, it is there in 2 ones a table and you can write here 2 8s are 16, 2 8s are 16. How much you have to write here? 2 8s are 16. Next you take here 2. 2 4s are 8. 2 8s are 16. 2 4s are 8. Again you take here 2. Why I took here 2? Because in 2 on the table this 4 is there and in 2 on the table 8 is also there. See here while writing you have to write how much are. Yes, 2 8s are 16. 2 4s are 8. Again see here the 4 is there in 2 on the table. Yes, how much are? 2 2s are 2 2s are 4. Again you take 2 1s are 2. While taking you must and should take the prime numbers. Don't take here directly 8 or directly 4 because we are learning here prime factorization. Prime factorization is the method of expressing the number as the product of its factors which are primes. Okay, so that's why you have to use here prime numbers. So how to express this? 16 is equal to 2 into 2. How many times 2 repeated here? 4 times. 1 2 3 4. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. This type you have to express its factors. See here all numbers are here prime. Okay, so here division is important. How much you need to write. Okay, next we will take one more example. And I will see here dear students in your textbook they given big examples. First I will solve the easy examples and you also do the same thing. Whichever examples I have solved here, no, first you practice that, then you go through your practice time to page number 114 and that is 4th main. Okay, so let us take one more example here 8. Then tell me 8 is there in which table? Yes, it is there in 2 ones are table. 2 4s are 8. Again you take 2, 2 2s are 4. Again you take here 2. 2 4s are 8. 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2. So I express this 2 in terms of prime factors. Okay, 2 into 2 into 2. So let us take here 15. Then tell me 15 is there in which table? Yes, it is there in 3 ones are table. 15 is not there in 2 table. Then next the prime number is that is 3. See here 2 3 5 7 11 so on. These all are the prime numbers. Which are prime numbers? A number which has only 2 factors. They are called prime numbers. So first you check, you divide with 2. If the number will not divide with 2 means you take 3. That number also not divide with 3 means you take 5. Next you take 7. While taking you must and should take only prime numbers. Next, then tell me here, in 3 ones are table, 15 is there. How much are 3 5s are 15? 3 5s are 15. Again you take here 5 ones are 5. 3 5s are 15. 5 ones are 5. So 15 is equal to 3 into 5. So this type you need to solve the examples. Let us take few more examples. I will take here directly 20. Yes. 2 in 2 ones are table, 20 is there. How much are? Tell me. 2 tens are, isn't it? 2 tens are 20. Again you take 10. 10 is there in 2 ones are table. So write here 2 5s are 10. 5 ones are 5. So take here 2 into 2 into 5. So 20 is equal to 2 into 2 into 5. Okay. So let us solve some examples from your my practice time 2, and that is 4th main. I will take here 56. See here, dear students, in ones place 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 is there, means that number is divisible by 6. Okay. See here, in ones place 6 is there, means that number is divisible by 2. Okay. So take here 2 is there. Okay. So divide here 56 divided by 2. 2 2s are 4. 5 minus 4 is 1. Again you take 6 down. Okay. 2 8s are 16. 0 0. Why I did here? Because see here, you divide this mentally and you have to write here only quotient. See here, 2 2s are 4. 1 remained. 2 8s are 16. So how I wrote here 28? By using this. See here, if you are not getting how to divide number directly, then you can do this as a rough work in your book. Okay. Next see here 28 is there. So again here 8 is there, means that number is divisible by 2. So take here 2 ones are 2, 2 4s are 8. 2 ones are 2, 2 4s are 8. Again here 4 is there, means that number is divisible by 2. So 2 how much are 14? 2 7s are 14, and directly you take 7 ones are 7. So see here 2 is also a prime number and 7 is also a prime number. So how to express this? 56 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 7. Okay. So this type you have to prime factorize the numbers. So let us take few more examples from your textbook. Dear students, for this you need more practice. Okay. Next take here 84. 84 is there. So tell me, this number is divisible by 2? Yes, it is divisible by 2 because in ones place 4 is there. In ones place 0, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. These numbers are there, means that number is divisible by 2. Where? In ones place. Then tell me, here 84 is there, then how can I divide this number? By 2. Yes, 2 4s are 8. 2 4s are 8. 2 2s are 4. 2 4s are 8. 2 2s are 4. Again you take 2 here. 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2. 2 21s are 24. So here 1 is there, means that number is not divisible by what? 2. For this you need to know divisibility rules. If you know divisibility rules, then you can solve this example. So here 21. So 21 is not there in 2 ones are table. Next you take 3. Yes, in 3 ones are table 21 is there. How much are? 3 7s are 21. Again you take here 7 ones are 7. 2 42s are 84, 2 21s are 42, 3 7s are 21, 7 1s are 7. So take here 84 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 7. Dear students, you need to practice more this. If you learnt this, then only you are going to find the LCM of the number by division method. Okay, please keep practicing this example. Next you take here 360. Already I told, see here what is there in ones place? 0 is there, means that number is divisible by 2. Okay, so take here 2 ones are 2, 1 remain, 2 8s are 16, 0 as it is. How I wrote this? Take here 360 and divide with 2. 2 ones are 2, 3 minus 2 is 1 and takes this 6 down. 2 8s are 16, 0 0 and this puts 0 at the end. So this type I wrote here. I divided here directly. Okay, next you take here 2. 18 you take directly. 2 how much is 18? 2 9s are 2 9s are 18 and write here 0. Again you take here 2. 2 4s are 8 and 1 remain. 2 5s are 15. So here in ones place 5 is there, means that number is not divisible by 2. Then I will take here 5. Okay, in 3 ones are table also 45 is not there. In 4 is the composite number. Take here 5. 5 9s are 45, 3 3s are 3 1s are. See here 2 180s are 360, 2 90s are 180, 2 45s are 90, 5 9s are 45, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. So how to express this? 360 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 3 into 3. So this type you need to express the numbers with their factors. Okay, so let us take one more example, and that is 882. 882. Then tell me, is this number is divisible by 2? Yes, because in ones place which number is there? 2 is there. So write here 2 4s are 8, 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2. Okay, so see here 1 is there, then this number is not divisible by 2. So this number is divisible by 3. Okay, 3 1s are 3, 1 remained, 3 4s are 12, 2 remain, 3 7s are 21. Okay, the next see here, this number is divisible by 7 is there, means this number is divisible by 7. 7 2s are 14, 7 1s are 7. 7 2s are 14, 7 1s are 7. Next you take here 3 7s are 21, 7 1s are 7. So this type you need to divide the numbers. So express this numbers. See here 882 is equal to 2 into 3 into 7 into 3 into 7. Okay, so this type you have to solve the examples. See dear students, for this you need more practice. Okay, solve each example 2 to 3 times. If you practice this, then only you are going to find the LCM of the numbers. Okay, I hope this class is clear to you. Thank you.